I'm here at the location for the installation Nice Day, Isn't It?, which is going to be open from the 8th till the 11th of September for Wonderland Festival. We're in an empty shop unit on Union Street. You can find the installation at number 85 Union Street next to the Lush shop. An empty shop unit is a good way of showing where different parts of our life meet, where the commercial and the urban meet with organic materials and community voices. A community garden is somewhere you can go to spend time without spending money. Additionally, in the shop unit, you're protected from the weather, but you will also conversely be surrounded by the noises of weather. It seems that our city centres are too often barren of shops, and the pandemic seems to have really hit this. So this installation is to re-look at the use of our spaces in our city centre. This installation explores the changing uses of space and also reflects on the way that green space has become more prominent in our lives during the pandemic.